If you've been seeing a white flash every time you open Google Chrome, switch tabs, maximize the window, or launch a new page, you're definitely not alone. This is usually caused by a graphics rendering issue, a bad cache file, or a browser setting that doesn't play nicely with your system. The good news is that there are a few simple fixes you can try, and in most cases, one of them will solve the problem completely. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the best step-by-step methods to fix the white flash issue in Google Chrome. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe for more useful tech fixes, and let's get straight into it.
First, let's start with the most effective fix, which is disabling hardware acceleration. Hardware acceleration lets Chrome use your graphics card to speed things up, but sometimes that interaction creates a rendering lag or a white flash when pages load. To turn it off, open Google Chrome, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, and go into Settings. Once you're in Settings, look at the left-hand sidebar and click System. On that page, you'll see a setting called Use Graphics Acceleration when available, or in some versions, Hardware Acceleration. Turn that toggle off. As soon as you do that, Chrome will usually show a relaunch button. Click Relaunch so the browser restarts with the new setting applied. After Chrome reopens, test the issue again and see if the white flash is gone. If you're still seeing the problem, the next fix is to enable Auto Dark Mode for web contents through Chrome flags. This is especially helpful if you use a dark theme, because the browser can briefly show a white background while content loads. To do this, click inside the Chrome address bar and type chrome://flags, then press Enter. This takes you to Chrome's experimental features page. At the top, you'll see a search box. Type dark into that search bar to filter the results. Look for the flag called Auto Dark Mode for web contents. Next to it, open the drop-down menu and change it from default to enabled. Once you've changed it, you'll see a blue relaunch button in the bottom right corner. Click that to restart Chrome and apply the change. This can help force dark rendering and reduce or eliminate the white flash effect. Now let's move on to another common cause, which is a corrupted GPU cache. Over time, Chrome can store graphics-related cache files that become damaged and cause blank white spaces, especially when you maximize a window or reload content. To clear that cache, you'll need to close Google Chrome completely first. Make sure it's not running in the background. On Windows, press Windows+R, paste %localappdata/Google/Chrome/userdata/shader cache, and press Enter. On Mac, open Finder, press Command+Shift+G, then paste ~library/application support/Google/shader cache, and press Enter. When the folder opens, select everything inside the shader cache folder and delete it. After that, empty your recycle bin on Windows or trash on Mac, then reopen Chrome and check whether the flashing issue is fixed. This step is especially useful if the problem started after an update or after Chrome began acting strangely. If you're on Windows and Chrome is still freezing or crashing right after the white flash, there's one more temporary compatibility fix you can try. This is not always the final solution, but it can help stabilize Chrome on certain systems. Find your Chrome shortcut on the desktop, right-click it, and choose Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box that says Run this program in compatibility mode for, then choose Windows 8 from the drop-down list. Click Apply, then OK. After that, open Chrome again and test it. If Chrome behaves better, then you've confirmed the issue may be tied to compatibility between Chrome and your current system setup. At this point, one of these fixes should solve the white flash issue in Google Chrome. If hardware acceleration was the problem, turning it off will usually make the biggest difference. If the issue was caused by a dark theme rendering delay, the Chrome flag setting can help. And if the cache was corrupted, clearing the shader cache folder often does the trick. The key is to test each method one at a time, so you can identify which fix actually solved it on your computer. If this video helped you fix the Chrome white flash issue, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with anyone else who's dealing with the same problem. That support really helps the channel grow, and it lets me keep making simple tutorials that save you time and frustration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.